Hi, I'm Sandino Bucio. I'm a writer from Mexico, and I come from to India because I like very much the ritual dances of all world. And I'm a dancer in Mexico too. And I like the dances rituals because I think all humanity in the world pray to the very similar things, to the fire, to the water, to the air, to the earth. So I'm from Mexico, very the other side of the world, and there the people pray to the rivers, to the mountains, to the sky, and here is the same. And I like the dances in India because it's very strong, powerful, and beautiful dances. The painting, the clothes, the music is very amazing, and I think these cultural roots of the world needs conserved in this moment and this history, because that this dance connected with the most important things, with the nature, with the gods, with the elements. So for me it's very important to see this kind of dance in the other place with other people and other gods, but we are humans, and we are people living the same planet in the same time, so we are like a brothers. Dancing a similar dance is the Hayoka dance and the Kora dance, and painted all body in black and the face, and connected with the spirits. Your body is like a canal with the spirits, so I think that when you dance you can connect it with the spirituality. So I think the Guliga performance connected with with that sacred around us. Hi, now is the end of Guliga Kola in Mangalore, and it's a very strong experience for me. It's the most amazing dance I saw in my life. The powerful of the mind and body and spirit. The performer can walking on the fire, eating the blood of 12 chickens and many extraordinary things, just connected with the spirits and the trance and her body. For me it's very impressionant, and for me it's a great experience. See the dance and the families coming and hear the extraordinary music. So I recommend it very much. Come to Mangalore to saw that dances, and I recommend if you want more information, follow this page. Is GAGGARA around holy rituals. So follow this page to more information.